Boracay is a beautiful island. It has amazing beaches, it has a variety of different cultures.
So when I came here, I really liked it. Like here, it's really calm. The sea is beautiful, nice beaches.
So first of all, I don't really like Boracay. I don't really like Boracay. I don't really like Boracay. Like they don't really care much about animals here. The dogs, they just let them roam around.
Definitely the waste is a big problem, and you can't really do much about the crowds. But yeah, maybe like some better management. I don't know.
I think for myself, one of the saddest things is the number of stray cats and dogs that we see every day, and the lack of education on animal welfare.
Most important thing is for me that there's animal population control, like spay and neuter campaigns. I've seen so many pregnant or already mummy doggies running around, and kittens just get dumped. And to stop this, that really needs it needs to be controlled.
I don't believe that Boracay is not savable. I believe that it's just a matter of changing the behavior of tourism in order to change the problems here. I am very confident that it will recover.